Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you children? Hope you all are fine over there. In the previous class, we have discussed about lithosphere and its two main divisions. Children, now you know that what are the two main divisions of the Earth's surface, right? What are they? Yes, continents and ocean basins. Hope you all learned that portions. Now, let's come back to our today's class. In the previous class, we also discussed the main features of Asia, Europe and Africa. Now, let's discuss the main features of the rest of the continents.
First one is North America. It is the third largest continent of the world and it is linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land called Isthmus of Panama. And this continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. And three oceans surround this continent. Do you know what are they? They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So these are the main features of North America. And the next one is South America. And it lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. And it is surrounded by two oceans. Atlantic Ocean on the east and Pacific Ocean on the west. And the world's longest mountain range, Andes Mountains, situated in South America. Children, can you identify the difference between Mount Everest and Andes Mountains? Yes, you can, right? Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world, while Andes Mountain is the longest mountain range in the world. Don't confuse it, okay? Then, world's largest river, Amazon, also situated in South America. And children, here also, can you identify the difference between Nile River and Amazon River? Nile River is the longest river in the world. Here longest means lengthwise. While Amazon is the largest river in the world. Here largest means volume wise. So these are the main features of South America. And the next one is Antarctica. Antarctica is a huge continent and it is completely situated in the southern hemisphere. And the South Pole lies almost in the center of Antarctica because it is located in the South Polar region. Therefore, it is permanently covered with thick ice sheets. And there are no permanent human settlements. And many countries have research stations in Antarctica. And India also has two research stations. These are named as Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. So, these are the main features of Antarctica. And the last one is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and it lies completely in the southern hemisphere. And it is surrounded on all sides by the oceans and seas. So it is called island continent. So these are the main features of Australia. Children, I hope you understood the main features of 7 continents. And here you have to study one more thing. That is the difference between strait and isthmus. So what is strait? Strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans. And the next one is isthmus. What is isthmus? Isthmus is a narrow strip of land joining two land masses. Now we will move on to the next domain of the earth, that is hydrosphere. Our earth is called the blue planet because more than 71% of the earth is covered with water and 29% is with land. From this we can understand water covers a big area of the earth's surface and this area is called hydrosphere. That means hydrosphere consists of water in all its forms. For example, running water in oceans, rivers and in lakes, ice in glaciers, underground water and water vapor in atmosphere. All these are the part of hydrosphere. Then children, let me ask one question. If there is so much water on earth, we still face a shortage of water. Why do we face a shortage of water? It is because more than 97% of the earth water is found in the oceans. This water is too salty for human use. And out of the remaining 2.5 to 3% water, most of it is in the form of ice sheets, glaciers or underground water. Therefore, a very small percentage is available as fresh water for human use. So children, from all this, we have to learn the lesson is don't waste water. Our earth is the blue planet. Still, we have to preserve our water. And in the next class, we will discuss more about hydrosphere.
So students, I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. And please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.